It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out. We're trying chips again. This week they're Poppables. Have you tried them yet? Creamy jalapeno.
One pop and you're in love. We'll see about that.
Let's open them up.
Alright, let's check these things out. They're hollow in the middle. Says you get 28 of them per serving. They're basically the same ingredients you'd find in potato chips. So let's see what we think. Nice and crunchy. They taste good. Kind of taste like, the flavor is creamy jalapeno. I guess it kind of tastes like jalapeno. It's kind of a sour cream and, what are those chips called?
Onion.
Sour cream and onion. It's kind of the same flavor as the sour cream and onion chips. The aftertaste kind of has some jalapeno flavor to it. I think they're pretty good. What do you think?
It's a good crunchy. Not too crunchy where it hurts your teeth, but not like it's soft Cheeto.
Mom,
I think it tastes like sour cream and onion, but with just a little bit of the aftertaste of jalapeno.
Mom.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Do you wanna try a chip, Em? All right, give one a try.
Sugar.
They might be a little spicy.
Do you like it? All right, what do you think?
Thumbs up.
You just say a thumbs up? Let's see, show me again. Tell me.
I'd say they're really good. They're got a little bit of aftertaste of not so spicy, but when you're just chewing it up, it tastes like
Sour cream and onion.
Sour cream with a little bit of potato chips.
Yeah, it has a little bit of spice, but it doesn't.
So
ruin it.
good. It's super duper good. I give them a double thumbs up.
So what if somebody doesn't like spicy? Would they like these?
Maybe.
Kind of.
Kind of, because
Depending
they're a
on
little
what
bit
spice
spicy.
they like. They're a little bit, but if they truly don't like any spice, they shouldn't have these. But if they like just a little bit, these would be good. Perfect.
Yeah, I don't really notice any
Any
spice.
spice.
Like it's very, very slight. So if you don't like spicy, I'd say still give them a try. They are pretty good. Do you like these better, these Poppables, or do you think you'd like just potato chips?
The Poppables. I like because they're like interesting shape.
Probably just potato chips. But these are good to try once in a while.
I like that type.
Now we're going to get an opinion from the outside. Open up this window. Hey girls, we need your opinion on some chips.
I'll try.
They're jalapeno.
I'm game. They look interesting.
They're Poppables.
Poppables. Oh. That's good. Yeah, they almost kind of taste like the sour cream and onion chips. They don't really taste much different. I like them.
Ham and cheese sandwich would be really good too.
Delivery for Brittany.
All right, so it's a thumbs up, huh? Poppables are a win.
Double thumbs up.